Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Between Layers Aviation. This is Ryan here. We've got a flight home to India Golf, Quebec today, Lansing, Illinois. I got my wife Jen in the back. She doesn't have her headsets on right now, but she's holding the door open, and Princess Heavy, of course. So it's our TFR because the president is in Bedminster, New Jersey, and we're going to get our clearance on the ground here after we do our run-up. I'll probably route us all around, so we'll see how it goes. Some low, kind of broken layer here. We'll get above that pretty quick and then get up to 10,000, hopefully cool things off, and be on our way before any T-storms pop up. Best, the outside air temperature right now is like 82 degrees, but it's humid as can be. Okay, so cleared by Princeton 1 departure, and then to radar vectors to Lana, then Lizzie, Victor 6, and then SIPS, Charlie India Papa, then direct Delta Juliet Bravo, then Victor Whiskey Victor, then Victor 126, then Golf Sierra Hotel, then Victor 233, then Kilo Echo November Lima Alpha, then India Kilo Kilo, then direct destination. Climb and maintain 2,000, expect 10,000 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 128.55, squawk 2647. Okay, we just got our clearance, so we're gonna just plug this all into the GPS, which we did. We're doing a departure procedure, and then we are gonna be on our way. So we'll lock up here, watch your hand. Good. Princeton traffic, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, departing runway 28, headed to the west, Princeton. 800 feet, right turn to 320. Fuel pumps on low, gas is on the mains. $80, $90, $95, $100, rotate.
Limerick 6221 is set to maintain 6,000.
At a 6,000, Limerick 6221.
New York departure, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, Virginia, making a right turn to 320.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, New York departure, ident, climb maintain 4,000.
IDET, climb maintain 4,000, 66 Quebec.
Brickyard 3520, flighting 040 now, 40 heading at 120.15 today.
Alright, 2015 and 040 heading, Brickyard 3520, good day.
United 2330, set to maintain 6,000.
6,000,
November 66 Quebec, radar contact about 2 northwest of Princeton. Proceed direct Lana, 2032, and then resume on navigation from there.
Direct Lana, 66 Quebec.
United 2330, turn left heading 080.
080, United 2330.
Twin Cessna 66 Quebec, climb maintain 9,000.
Climb maintain 9,000, 66 Quebec. Good, babe. How's that noise canceling? Good?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I just turned it on and it was like, whoa.
Yeah, it's awesome, huh?
Can you turn the squawk off for me?
The squawk.
The talk?
Oh, so I'm just going to beam up myself then, okay?
Yeah.
All right, bye-bye. All right, that was a good departure. Climbing at 500 feet per minute here, keeping the engines cool.
You approach at 1877 out of 11-3 on the Bilbo in Quebec.
Yeah, 1877 here, approach altimeter 2996, ILS 22 left.
96 to 22 left, yeah, 1877.
Lindbergh 6221, flighting 030 vector sequence, contact approach on 120.15.
2015, and was that 020?
030 Lindbergh 6221.
0306221.
Allegiance 1319, flighting 080 vector sequence, instead of maintain 6000.
080 down 6,000, Allegiance 1319.
Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, contact New York Center on 124.62.
Oh, New York Center, 12462, 66 Quebec. New York Center, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec with you now, direct Lana.
466 Quebec, New York Center, roger. Stay altitude leaving and assign altitude.
Leaving 4,500 for 9,000, 66 Quebec.
66 Quebec, roger. Ellington altimeter 2998.
2998, 66 Quebec.
New York Center, Piedmont 4840, 10,500, climbing 13, 13,000.
Piedmont 4840, New York Center, roger. Climb maintain 17,000, Ellington altimeter 2998.
17,000 and 2998, Piedmont 4840.
New York, Breaker 3526, descending through 20.6 on the Williamsport, or excuse me, down to 180 at Hayde. We'd like 10 left for weather.
Breaker 3526, New York, roger. CV as necessary, pens enable. Descend, maintain 13,000, Ellington altimeter 2998.
Descend to 13,000, 2998, and we'll deviate left as necessary, and then pens when able, Breaker 3526.
Roger. November 5109 Papa, go ahead. November 466 Quebec, direct to Dryer, Delta Juliet Bravo.
Direct Dryer, Delta Juliet Bravo, 66 Quebec.
Second morning, break here 3301, flight level 200, descending to cross 8, flight level 180, 300 knots, or last assigned.
Got 3301 here, roger.
New York, Delta 1401, level 180, direct pilot.
Delta 1401, New York, City, roger.
New York, morning, United 1634 is out of 1213. New York, United 1634, leveling 13.
All right. 1,500 feet to go.
Descend at pound discretion, I maintain 4,100. United 1634, contact New York Center, 132.87, 3287.
3287, 1634, swamp.
From a 466 Quebec, clear direct to India, Kilo.
Very direct, India, Kilo, thanks, 66 Quebec.
Breakout 3526, contact New York approach 128.55.
2855, breakout 3526.
approach 66 Quebec. Any chance we get direct destination, India Golf, Quebec?
Sure, clear deck destination 66 Quebec.
Thank you.
Yeah, about 4993, 12 for 13.
Demon 4993, New York Center, roger. Ellington altimeter 2998, climb and maintain 16,000.
98 to 16, P-mile 4993.
From 466 Quebec, climb maintain 10,000.
Climb maintain 10,000, 66 Quebec.
Bridge 3301, contact New York approach 128.55.
2855, Brickyard 3301, good day.
Fire 109 Papa, roger, squawk VFR, you can contact the tower at your leisure at 128.47. Thank you.
Alright, up to 10,000, 600 feet to go. A nice, cool 55 degrees up here, so that's a nice change from 80 down below. So every 1,000 feet is 2 degrees Celsius, or 3.5 degrees reduction in temperature. So we went basically from sea level up to 10,000. So 80 times, or sorry, yeah, 10,000 times 35 degrees. So should we be around 45 degrees in theory? May not be quite that low, but we'll see here. Okay, we are all settled out here. We got some T-storms on the right that we're avoiding. This is great. My baby's sleeping in the back. And we'll get back on course here.
Allegiance 2985, contact New York Center 132, correction 133.17.
3317, Allegiance 2985.
Demon 4820, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, Demon 4820. New York Center, East Coast Jet 45 with you out of 748.
Coast Jet 45, New York Center, roger, climb maintain 12,000, Ellington altimeter 2998.
2998, 12,000, East Coast Jet 45. 0, deviating right for weather, Bally 1 able.
Go 4535, New York Center, roger.
Alright, we're going to stay to the left of this build-up right up ahead of us here. Other than that, so far it looks like on radar we got a pretty good flight. Little weather maybe in Michigan that's coming through, so we may have to deviate south for that, so we'll have to see as we get there, but that's a long ways away yet.
November 30 Charlie Delta, contact New York Center, 133.35. November 30 Charlie Delta, contact New York Center, 133.35. November 380 Charlie Delta, New York. November 380 Charlie Delta, contact New York Center, 133.35. November 380 Charlie Delta, contact New York Center, 133.35.
Gorgeous though.
East Coast Jet 45, climb maintain 14000.
14000, East Coast Jet 45.
East Coast Jet 45, contact New York Center, 133.17.
13317, East Coast 45, good day.
November 8499er Foxtrot, contact Dallas on approach, 124.45.
Alright, let's see what our headwind is. So 153.
Breaker 5962,
Calibrate airspeed, 299.8.
Ready course, Barley when able.
Breaker 5962, New York Center, roger. Descend and maintain 13000.
Outside air
altimeter
temp.
2998.
13000, 9 AM, New York, Breaker 5962.
About, let's say 7, maybe 8. Heading.
Breaker 4535, cross beauty at 10,000.
Alright, not sure if I told you we're direct Barley now.
Alright, 11 knot headwind, not bad.
Breaker 4535.
Cool, look at this fluffiness here. Like big old pieces of cotton candy. Loving it.
November 466, Quebec, change to my frequency 134.8.
Over to 134.8, 66 Quebec. 66 Quebec made the switch.
66 Quebec, roger. University altimeter 3004.
3004, 66 Quebec.
5962, cross beauty at 10,000. Yeah, that's fine, P-Mount 4820. Southwest 3499, contact New York Center at 133.17.
3317, Southwest 3499.
Lima 4835 near center, roger. Climb maintain 14,000, LS and altimeter 2998.
All right, well, I think we'll take a little break here, and we'll be back a bit later. Cleveland Center, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec, ready now, 10,000.
November 466 Quebec, Cleveland Center, to voice altimeter 3005.
3005, 66 Quebec. All right, welcome back. We are cruising along here, just about an hour into the flight, and we've got a high, somewhat cirrus layer, I guess you'd say, or kind of overcast layer coming in here. A little hazy below. Still relatively cool, about 50 degrees-ish outside, and doing a decent ground speed. We've got 170 knots across the ground. Looking at about 2.5 hours left. I see some thunderstorms ahead that we're probably going to need to deviate around. So we'll see how that goes. Looks like we may have to dip down to Fort Wayne and kind of come back up. But other than that, it's going to be hopefully a smooth trek here. Again, hazy ahead, so we'll see what happens as we keep going. We've got ground contact still, so that's good. And blue skies above too, so we could go higher if needed. Although I probably would start to go lower given that we may have thunderstorms ahead, so we'll see. Effie's in the back sleeping. My wife Jennifer is sleeping as well. So hopefully you can see them. We move the seat up a little bit so they get more comfort. And we may bust into some snacks here soon right after we switch over to the aux tanks. Well, let's take a look at what the headwind says on the flight computer here. So we're still at 10,000. 1, 0, 0, 0. Calibrated airspeed's about 154, so we'll bump that up a notch. And 3006, I think, was the altimeter we said earlier.
November 9er Charlie, Mike, contact junction approach 133.95.
Outside air temp.
November 9er Charlie, Mike, contact junction approach 133.95.
A little bit warmer Celsius. And our heading magnetic is 2905. So that gives us a 9-knot headwind. I mean, that's not bad at all. Given that our fuel burn right now is about, just over 12 gallons an hour a side, and we've just been going over an hour. We've got 4 hours and 20 minutes of fuel left at this burn rate. So that's pretty awesome. And again, our flight time to Lansing, assuming no deviations, is 2 hours and 25 minutes left. So you can see too, everything's running cool. Cylinder head temp's around 475. That's nice. Oil pressure's good. We're running at 2,300 RPM and full throttle, which gives us about manifold pressure just over 20 inches. And that's really about it. Pretty simple. So let's switch VORs here. Let's see if we can get the next one. Nope, not close enough. So we're gonna go get it from, dial in here. You may remember from previous video I was saying I like to just tune in the VORs and use that as a backup navigation for situational awareness. We got the DME going here, so we're just over 19 miles from, the VOR was Phillipsburg, on 115.5.
Center, good morning, November 55 Romeo. Romeo is with you, passing 7,300 for 8,000.
73400 uniform, Cleveland Center, Du Bois altimeter 3005. And Mousetrack curve calling, say again.
Good morning, it's November 55 Romeo. Romeo, passing 7,500 for 8,000.
November 55 Romeo, Romeo, Cleveland Center, Roger, climb maintain 9,000.
Okay, going up to 9,000, 55 to 4.
Dallas 3147, descend to maintain 11,000, University altimeter 3004.
To maintain 11,000, Skywest 3147.
November 55 Romeo, Romeo, there's traffic at 1 o'clock in about 5 miles. Northeast bound, 9,400, unverified pipe unknown.
Okay, we're looking for him, 55 to 4. We'll stop.
Let's see what we got in the snack department here. Alright, so we've got some Sour Patch Kids left over from the last leg. That's awesome. Nature Valley granola bar, oats and honey. And some cashews from my mother-in-law. And a bottle of water. I think we'll start with the cashews.
Romeo, Romeo, traffic now is off your right side in about 2 miles.
Autopilot's on right now. It's seeming to be working well at high altitude. This flight and the last flight, it's starting to porpoise a little bit though, so we may have to cycle it. This autopilot isn't great, so I usually hand fly the plane, to be honest. But on these long trips, a little break like this is fine. So actually, we'll turn off the autopilot while we do a fuel tank switch here to the aux tank, so let's get it leveled out. We also will correct our DG as well on our compass, so actually it looks good. Okay, so we don't need to mess with that.
Romeo, Romeo, that traffic is no.
So we'll start with the left.
Maintain 10,000.
I always switch the timer here on the Garmin 330, GTX 330. And fuel pump's on, left main to left aux, indicator light comes on. We hold here in case there's any hiccups, and we'll go back to the main. Just for a couple more seconds. Alright, nothing, so fuel pump off, start that timer.
November 5 Romeo, Romeo, contact Washington Center 133.65.
133.65, 55 double R, good day.
Okay, cool, so that started. Let's see if we get this other VOR, not quite yet. Alright, we gave the autopilot a little bit of a break, so let's try to see if we can get that back in action. Alright, so we're still cruising. I guess we'll take a little break and come back to you a bit later.
466, Quebec, contact Cleveland Center 120.6.
Alright, I think that was for 466 back over to Cleveland Center 120.6. You sound pretty distant from the microphone.
466,
confirm 120.6 is any better?
No, not any better for 66 Quebec.
Roger.
At Cleveland Center, Twin Cessna 466 Quebec with you now, 10,000.
November 466 Quebec, Cleveland Center, good morning. The Cleveland altimeter 3001.
3001, good morning, 66 Quebec. All right, welcome back everybody. We are just under 2 hours now. We've got some tops here we're gonna skim, so I thought it'd be fun to get that on camera so you can see that. We just kind of sliced our way between two small little moderate precip buildups back about 20-30 miles or so. Everything else running smooth, so I'm a little chilly actually, so I may actually turn off some of the forward cabin air here. There's definitely going to be some precip that we're going to still have to go south and around it's near north of Fort Wayne right now. Skimming some tops here. Fun. Yeah, I mean, otherwise it's been pretty gorgeous. That high overcast layer has gone away. We still have ground contact, so that's great. We're still doing a respectable ground speed, given that we've got a little bit of a headwind. But other than that,
7340 Cleveland Center, good morning.
it's been pretty uneventful.
Ultimate 56, contact Indy 128.07.
I just love skimming these clouds. It's so cool.
Skywest 4055, contact Cleveland 127.9.
27.9, Skywest 4055.
Thank you.